Hey guys, it's GOLDYNAPS. I don't think I've ever filmed at this time of day before, and bitch, I am living. Who's a 10? It is I. Anyways, now that I have been distracted by my own reflection, we're gonna get into this topic, the topic of this video. I don't know how to talk. And it's just two hairstyles that I get asked about pretty often, high puff and low puff. I do have a high puff tutorial on my Instagram page, and it's actually the first tutorial that I ever made. But I mean, people are still requesting it, so it's like, let me just put it on YouTube so it will be here forever. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And this is a finger coil out, so if you guys are interested in me making a video about that, you can let me know in the comments and I will get to working on it. Alright, so now I'm gonna shut up and show you how to do these hairstyles. Alright, so literally all that you need for a high puff is a big ass elastic band. I got this one at Ricky's, I think, but I've definitely seen like these thick ones at Target. And if you have like thicker, coarser hair, I really recommend you getting like a thicker headband, because I've tried the thinner ones and they just end up popping and breaking, and I literally only have one of these and it's lasted me like a good year. So I really recommend this. Then you're just gonna need a spray bottle, hairbrush, preferably like a hard bristle brush hairbrush, because it just, again, works better on coarser hair to like smooth down the front part of your hair. And then my favorite, Eco Styler gel. I use the olive oil one. Eco Styler is not canceled. It is poppin'. All right, so we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna wrap this around my neck.
Tonight I'm gonna swim in it, dive in it, drown in it, hide in it, babe, live in it, die in it, ride in it, inside of it, babe, swim in it, dive in it, drown in it, hide in it, babe, live in it, die in it, ride in it, inside of it, babe, your love.
And literally, like, there you have it, a high puff. It's super easy. At this point, you can like do your edges or whatever you want to do, but I'm about to take my hair down and do a whole other hairstyle, so I don't really feel like that's super necessary right now, but it looks super cute. Usually when my hair isn't like finger coiled, it's a little more voluminous and like less defined, but this is what we're working with right now, so. Okay, moving right along. All right, so for the low puff, usually I like to part my hair down the middle, and it's basically already parted down the middle. So what you want to do next is take your spray bottle. You're basically using the same tools that you use for the high puff, except for this time, instead of a big elastic band, you're using tiny elastic band. So we're just gonna spray our hair.
I'll try to make it right, put it all aside for your love. If you only knew the way I feel inside, it might make up for time. It's my pride. Surprise, surprise. But if you're ready, babe, are you ready, babe?
Honestly, I feel like for the low puff, it's just really important to like take your time, because you are trying to get through a lot of hair and you're brushing through like a pretty big section of your hair. So just take your time, keep adding water, keep adding gel until, you know, it's moist enough for you to get the brush through it, because you don't want to be ripping through the ends of your hair especially if you have bangs, the ends of your hair, which is the most fragile part, sort of end in this area anyway. So if you're like ripping your brush through your hair, you're just tearing at your ends, which we don't want to do. The cloud literally just switched up my entire lighting, so it's really generous. I was looking cute, now we're looking like a 9.5. Like, why? Why though? So now you can just, you know, do your edges. I honestly don't really like to do anything fancy for my edges, primarily because I can't really see in like the tiny monitor, so it's not like I could do anything fancy anyway, so I just slicked it down, you know, some slight. And this is the finished look. So if you guys liked this video, hit that like button. If you want to stick around, which I hope you do, then hit the subscribe button and be my friend. And let me know in the comments what else you want to see. Hit me up, follow me on the gram at GOLDYNAPS. Like, let's get it poppin'. Let's get this channel poppin', because you know what? I'm having a good ass time making these videos for you guys. You're a great crowd. Let's keep it up. Okay, bye.